recall a magic show. First of all, it's not a magic show. It's do some interesting work in these boring times. Okay, let we have some more stuffs. I have ESP32 kit, then I have more time to spend with that. Okay, then it has Bluetooth and Wi-Fi and lot of sensors. Okay, let's do some simple projects of automations. Let's open Audrino IDE. Okay, first of all, ESP32 kit is one of the best kit. Cost also low. I think I purchased in just 550 rupees in some online markets. Okay, let's yeah let's go to examples. Okay, before that we need to interface our kit. I have ESP32 developer v1 kit. If you don't develop that kit, go to this board managers and type ESP32. It's need internet, search ESP32. I already have this, so that install option is here. Okay, if you have this, skip this port. If you don't have, just install this. Then go to files and go to examples, and bottom of that Wi-Fi examples is there. Yeah, I think so. Yeah, we got it. Go to simple Wi-Fi server. Yeah, here we get. Yeah, it's a inbuilt example for Wi-Fi as for ESP32 kit. It's just assign some local IP address for on and off the pin in pin number 5. So it's a simple thing. In this IP /h is on /l is off. We need to find our IP address. Okay, let's go to code, then change your network name. In my case, I have SK3646 3646 and enter your Wi-Fi password. I have some security passwords. Okay, then we need to initialize our pin. Okay, at first they initial only one pin number 5. Here we need to initialize our pin. That depends on your requirements. In my practice, I had only one pins. Based on your requirements, you add more pins. We all know pin 2 is a inbuilt LED, as inbuilt LED, so it's very easy to access that pin. Okay, let's deal with the HTTP page. In that HTML page, we had another two conditions or another two lines for our pin 2. Okay, then change letters. Here I assume that O for on and F for off. That's also your requirements. That single alphabet is simple to use. Okay, here the conditions. We need to include some conditions for this O and F. Okay, let's go down. Yeah, here we have two conditions, high and low for pin number 5. Same thing we had pin number 2. Yeah, low and high. Just copy and paste twice and change the conditions. For pin number 5 there is high and low. For pin number 2 we change accordingly. That's on F. Yes, F is off, then O is on. Okay, 5 comma high. 5 is a pin number, high is a condition or state, that pin state. Okay, that's all. Let's remove this stuff. Okay, let interface our kit. Okay, now I connect my ESP32 with my PC. Here once again check the conditions. Yeah, pin number 2. Okay, here we go. It's time to upload our code. Before that we need to save. I save this in desktop only. It's very simple to open. Okay, now upload our code to our ESP32 kit. Let's train our kit. Okay, after connecting ESP32 kit with your lab or PC, just to verify once again in that correct port. Okay, now it's connected. It's time to upload our project. Okay, just to verify once again that our kit is connected and port also okay, correct. Okay, it's compiling time. uh, it's make me mad. It's take huge time to compile. At first at first time you compiling this code is take some more time, so be please quiet and pretty and wait. That only thing we can do. Waiting. Yeah, during this waiting time we discuss some interesting facts in ESP32 kit. Compared to other kits, it take only 3 volt as input, and it has both Bluetooth and Wi-Fi modules, and have inbuilt source touch sensor, and hall sensor is also here. Okay, it's useful to some other projects. Yes, let's we discuss more about this in some other videos. Okay. I have this kit for two years. Still it's working properly. I just in my time I buy this kit for 600 rupees. Now it's very cheap, 500 or 550. Yeah, it's almost done compiling. That bloody bus in huge traffic, it's very complicated to record my video and audio they clear. I don't have a huge setups to record my audio. Yeah, hurry up. I am waiting more than 3 minutes. It's almost done. Come on, yes. Now it's asked for connecting. then just press boot button and hold. Yeah, then release. Okay, when the message leaving or resetting your RTS pin, show that our code is dumped perfectly. Then go to serial monitor to monitor our kit. Okay, then check the double 15200. Here also 115200. Okay, then press enable button in that kit and so it's connected to our Wi-Fi SK3646. It's already connected to my phone, but it's not showing. Oh, what happened? Oh, wait. Just click the enable button once again to refresh this state. Yeah, it's connected. That kit connected to my mobile network Wi-Fi, mobile Wi-Fi, but it's showing it's not connecting. Okay, just refresh this page. Press the enable button once again in that kit to refresh. Yes. Yeah, what happened to your old kit? Come on. Refresh. Yes, yeah, here we go. My Wi-Fi is connected and it has a local IP 192.168.43.88. Yeah, it's our local IP address. Here we go. Yeah, we got it. Okay. Let's simply copy this IP address and paste it in any browser. Here we go. Okay, just make a text file for your reference and note that IP address, that local IP address that is constant for that kit. Okay, here we go. The thing we got that this IP address will open a HTML page and show more 4 options for 2 LEDs on and off. Okay, let's open that local IP address. What happened? Oh, you are not connected. Oh my god, I forgot to connect my Wi-Fi. I'm sorry. Okay, connect your PC with that same SK3646 network in my case. Okay, let's connect. Yeah, you're also connected. Keep alive. Connection is keep alive. Yes, here we got that. In that HTML page we got 4 options. LED on pin 5 and LED, oh my god, LED off on pin, LED on pin 5 off. Okay, LED on pin 2 off, LED on pin 2 off. Oh, here we go. 2 times pin 2 off, pin 2 off. I make a mistake. Okay, it's not a severe problem, just text only. Go to my source code and just edit that HTML content. Instead of instead of off, just change to on. Here we go. Let upload it once again. How it takes less time to compile and upload. Okay, this time I will relax. Okay, it's not a huge stuff thing to understand. It's just editing the old code that we add one more pin. That's only. It's not a huge difficult thing. Just like other hacking like that. Just add one more pin. Okay, now press boot and hold boot button. Here it's writing and uploading is completed. Okay, in serial monitor is still connecting. Okay, let's enable button. Press the enable button. Oh, here we connected. Okay, now it's still no change in pin 2 off. Yes, refresh. Oh god, here we connected in local IP address. Let's click. Let's click LED on and off. Test those links work properly or not. Okay, okay, now we check for pin number 5. Connect, yeah, LED in pin 5, that's D5 pin, and connect corresponding ground connections properly. Okay, here we connected we connecting pin 5. Yes, here we connecting a LED. Here no need to connect some resistors for this LED because the output is just 3 volt only. Those LEDs were not affected by those 3 volt supply. Yes, in Arduino kits and ODMCU kits, the output is 5 volt. Here 3 volt is not affected any LEDs, so just connect the LED. Okay, yeah, it's work properly. Yeah, we got it. We make a world record. Yes. Yeah, here for IP address we can control individually which on and off, both on, both off, whatever. It's just a logic only. On and off, 0 and 1 only. The IP address is the only important thing to understand. We can do anything with that IP address. While the kit is connected in my network, using this IP address, whenever I will change the state of any pins, it's not a difficult thing. It's easy thing. But more. Okay. Just now take a reference of all status. These two links for pin 2. And these two links for pin number 5. Okay, it's just only for our reference. Just save this for our future projects. Okay, it's very simple. Now get level up our project. Just create a simple APK for this project to control the pins with my mobile. Okay, just open your browser. I have Edge browser. Oh no. Okay. I prefer Chrome only. I have Edge browser. It's also cool thing. But I log in my accounts in Chrome so that I open Chrome. Whatever browser you have, just to open that browser. Yes, here just type MIT app inventor. Yes. Okay, just hit the enter button and that first link. Go to mit.edu. It's a free site to create a simple APK for IoT projects. The website have lot of things, lot of stuffs in this one website. Just build app or create app. It's open in it. Oh, I already done 2 projects. Okay, don't worry. Just go to projects and click you start new project. Enter your project name. Okay, we enter Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi blank. Okay, you enter your project name as per you like. Oh my god, it's very slow. Very slow network, yeah. But initially it's a blank screen. Okay, now what you need, just we need 4 buttons. Just drag and drop that button icon and drop. For 2 LEDs we have to have 4 status: on, off, on and off. We need 4 buttons. Okay, here we go. The layout is very simple and very easy to understand. Okay, before editing this layout and UI, editing and UI, just go to blocks, finish our coding blocks. This block is not most of things. Go to button 1, and when button 1 is click is to do something. It's like coding only. When button 1 is clicked, we need to do some operations. That's a simple things. We need to button click when need to do go to that URL. Oh, where is the URL? I need that URL. Oh, here is not there. Here only button only is there. Where we find URL? Oh, you don't add any web service for this APK. Okay, go to design. Oh, my network. Yes, go to web viewer. Yeah, here we got, and add that web viewer. That is a local lib browser that enable to go to some IP address or go to some web pages like that. Yeah, here we go. Click that web viewer. Oh, it's not opening. Yes, opening. Drag. Oh, it's not dragging. Very worst network. Please connect to stable network to this function. Don't connect with your mobile networks. Yeah, just drag, and here we need to go to some URL. When call, yeah, here call, go to URL. Yeah, this thing we have, this thing we need. Yes, just drag and drop. Okay, go to URL. Is perfectly okay. We have only web viewer 1, so only one web viewer is there. Just add a text. Go to text and pick that first options, simple text. Just add that, then paste that URL, paste that IP address, simple IP address. Oh, here the home page. Just add more stuff. HTTP / then slash add. Okay, first we O means on for LED pin 2. LED in pin 2. Just make a duplicate of this. Should it show 3 errors? Because of the saying the 4 blocks only for button 1. Let's change second block for button 2 and change URL as off, O for on, F for off. Okay, let's pin 2 is completed. Let's go to pin 5. Here change accordingly, low and high. Here we go. Here is the coding for this app. It's very simple thing to design this APK. Let's go to layout and edit our layout. First change the button name. Okay, then make alignments, the button positions. Go to, I just add a width as 100%. That will fill horizontally through that mobile size or in orientation. It's nice. That settings and all stuffs are based on your wish, based on your taste. That whatever design you need, done with this. So open source and it's totally free to access. Okay, now make some colorful things for this web viewer. Oh, it's a screen. 20 pixels means only 20 pixels. Size is very low. Okay, no, we need to see that those are activities. Okay, let's make some colorful things. Let's make our APK in black and white. Oh, it's also like black. Okay, light gray. Okay, here we go. Let's about screen. Screen one is our home. Here we add some icon for our app, and open screen animations are also there, and scrollable. We have more things. Okay, we will see this all things after some times. Let's build our APK. That home not updated. Okay, that's not important things. Once again check our blocks. Okay, all things is perfect. I think so. If any error, don't worry. Just go to our projects and edit. Okay, build our APK. Just go to build. Here select Android APK. This takes some process. It is preparing and compiling. If any error in compiling is not compiled, and show that errors. So once again check that box before you compiling. Now 50% is completed. Wow, here cool. We have a QR code to get this app. It's valid only for 2 hours. Okay, it's very easy to download. You might take your mobiles and open the scanner and just scan this URL. Yeah, here we got. It's cool thing. Okay, now install that app. It has some security. Okay, it's the app that created only by us, so we don't need to worry about that security. Okay, in our app, that black icons, black buttons, we declare for on, but that words are not visible. Okay, now we connect our kit, and here we monitor kit. Okay, I have no two cameras to record both my screen and ESP32. I have only mobile camera. Here we open that audrino IDE, and just go to serial monitor, and before that we need to check that your kit is connected and connected to a network. Now it's connecting. Yes, connected. Okay, here we go. The kit and connector. Okay, it's connecting. Keep alive. Here we see that difference, that refer at those IP address, and that opened in our blink Wi-Fi blink APK. Yeah, it's work properly. Our APK work properly. Yeah, we done. Yeah, we done. We done. We got it. It's really cool thing. Now we can control those pins with our mobile only. And before that, we control those pin in our PC by using that old IP method. It's really some more difficult to understand, but